Hi everyone, welcome back to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Realtek audio console cannot connect to RPC service. So before going to start the video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Realtek audio console, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just click on this start menu, then type here troubleshoot. You can see troubleshoot setting, click on this. Then click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see playing audio, just click on run. Select the problem with the headphone or speaker. I have connected the headphone, so it's showing here headphone. Select the speaker and go step by step and select the options what you are facing. After doing this, check whether your problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then open the task manager, right click on the taskbar, click on task manager, then click on startup app. If you find here anything like Realtek, you have to just right click on that and make sure that is enabled. Then close this window, go to the third option, click on start menu, then type here services. Click on services. In this you have to find Realtek. Just press R key, then find any Realtek. So suppose if this is your Realtek, right click on that, click on properties, click on start apply, select automatic, click on apply, then click on start, then click OK. After trying this option, still you are facing the issue, then open the device manager, click on start menu, then type here device manager. Click on device manager. In this you can see your sound, video and game controller. Double click on that. Select your audio device. Right click on that. Click on update driver. Click on browse my computer for the drivers. Select this option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your driver. Click on next. Then click on finish. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Realtek audio console cannot connect to RPC service. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.